guys, it's your vision girl Valentine, and today I am back with another look. Now today I'm going to be doing a makeup pink look, Valentine, you know, just a little cute little something. I did this look before and I posted it on my Instagram, and some of you guys wanted to know how I got it done and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, why not, let's just try to do it again. So if you want to see how I do it, then keep on watching. Okay, so my eyes are basically already prepped and stuff. I already have concealer, so I'm also going to be dipping into my Pretty Owl set, whatever it's called, this palette, just to get more variety for pinks, because in the Beauty Glazed there's only like 1, 2, or 3. Anyways, I'll be going into this pink shade here. I have my spoon, I'm gonna put it over my eye. Now you want your cut crease to be a little bit above your crease, so therefore I'm gonna put the top of the spoon like maybe like a little width above my actual crease right here. Okay, dip into my pink. Oh, that's a bright pink. And I'm just gonna dab it on. Now the way I hold my cut crease is not really gonna go the shape of my spoon because it's kind of weird, but I want this to kind of go like a wing out. So I'm just gonna use my free hand a little bit and try to just draw the shape that I want to go for. My chair keeps so much noise, like so creaky. Alright, next we're going to have like a blend towards your concealer and your brow. You want it kind of go, we're not going all the way up, but we're just gonna try to make it look like a gradient. Okay guys, so we have our pink on, so I'm going into my Beauty Glazed palette and I'm going to dip into this pink just to kind of put that on top and a little bit on top and above. So you want to put it right where you see it start to blend out, and just put that up top there. Let me see what I'm feeling. Let me go with this kind of color here. It's kind of like a burnt-ish orange. The reason why I go with this color is because it's closer to like my skin tone, like the orange, the yellow, like, so it'll be able to really blend back up into my eyebrows, my concealer. Alright, so that's kind of the look I'm going for. Get the first dark color we use, the darkest pink, and we're gonna put that here like an eyeliner kind of look up to the wing, and we're just gonna put it there. I'm just using my bigger brush so it doesn't look like a line, so it can be fluffed out. And I'm just gonna cut my crease as it is. Alright, so cut my crease. We're just looking pretty cutesy. Now I'm just going to put on the pigment, which is going to be kind of pinkish. This pink in my beauty palette. Let's see. So I'm gonna go in the other pink that's in the same palette that's above that. I'm just gonna insert. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put that pink all over my cut crease and be back. So as you see, I didn't carry the shimmer all the way over. So now we're gonna finish off this little bit here, and basically we're just gonna kind of like do what we were doing at the top where we blended up. We're gonna blend this bit now back into the cut crease, blend towards the cut crease. Now I'm just going back in with the cut crease shimmer. I'm kind of like gliding it over a little bit so it really looks like a good blend. Okay, so I did my eyeliner. I'm not really all that good with eyeliner, but it is what it is. So before we finish up here, I'm going to do down bottom with just all the pigments and stuff. So you want to start down here, put your concealer and everything. I already did that, and even though I probably should do some more so it's vibrant, I'm not gonna do that because I really don't feel like putting any more face products on. But go ahead and put down your concealer. Now we're gonna take our dark pink and just brush it underneath your eye like that. Now you want to go in with a lighter pink, and you're gonna go a little bit below it and also on top. Alright, now we're gonna go in with our peachy burnt shade, and under that. So under it's done. Now we're gonna move on to the liner, which is that kind of neon, that kind of neon pink color. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I created that neon because I don't have that color as a eyeliner. So I'm just gonna get any like flat surface really. Take the pink that you're looking at, that pink pigment, I'm going to like gather some, like scrape some of the product off, like the powder, onto like a flat surface. Or if it's some in the brush, you can knock it off from the brush too. So you guys see, I mixed it with my NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to show you guys an example. So do all you have to do with your white liner. Then you're going to take the same pigment and just go on top of it with it. Like that. Or you can do white eyeliner. I'm going to get my setting spray and I'm going to take my setting spray, like literally just a few drops on top of my white, something like that. And finally just mix, oops, your white with your powder. Once I mix both of them together, take up on the brush, and then look. Now the only thing with mixing it with the base, as you see, it comes off like it smells pretty easy compared to using your setting spray mixed with something, or using your white eyeliner and tapping your pigment on top. I don't think I didn't go all over. I just went to where you meet my the cut crease. So from here, as steady as you can. See, all the way out. Liquid eyeliner, black. And I literally just draw like, I literally just drew an arrow at my head or whatever. It's kind of like you're drawing another wing. So they're not like the same. This needed to be further out, but yeah. Back up a little bit. And just basically draw another arrow and do the same thing on the next side. Alright, so that is basically that, and I think the only thing I went and did is I drew hearts on top here. And I just fill it in. Okay. Actually, can I just do one heart? Let's see. Let me do my next one and see if I actually want to leave it as one heart. Alright, anyways. Now I'm just gonna go where I did my like Egyptian eye thingy, and I'm gonna take my eyeliner and go on top, and now we do it on the bottom. Okay, this one I'm not really liking that much, like how it's looking. I'm just gonna leave it as 2 hearts. Even though they're not symmetrical, like I would prefer them to be a little bit more out. So like one more heart could literally go here, but it can't on this side, so that's why we're just gonna leave it, guys. And here is a finished look. Basically, I just went in on my lower lash. Oh, that's so reflect. With the black in my lower lash line. Let me come closer so you can try to see. Yeah, I have some fallout, but I didn't really like do anything to my face makeup, so that makes sense because I didn't put any concealer back. What else? I did mascara. I mean, you can do lashes if you want. I don't really do lashes, but mascara, and I also put mascara on my lower lash, on my lower lashes, just so that the eyeshadow underneath doesn't look like red eye, and it kind of tones it down and like darkens it a little. And of course I had to get my little nose cuff with heart, you know, little Valentine, love you, whatever. And yeah, so this is basically the look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you all try it. This is it. This is basically all. This is the look. Comment down below if you like, if you're feeling the love, if you're feeling the vibe, you know, tell me, let me know down below. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye guys.